Hey guys, my name is Wexapi, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your VPN from your phone to your PC so that you can also enjoy free data on your PC. You understand? So first of all, the app you need to download is this one here, Every Proxy. You can see Every Proxy by Gorilla Software LLP. So after installing it, let's open it. Please make sure you follow the instructions very well. Okay, so I have opened it and this is your interface. This is the first thing you're going to see here. Choose this HTTP here, press it, enable it. Now you can see it has been enabled already. What you have to do next is go to these three lines here. Okay, go to settings. Now you can see this place. It said IP address. The IP address here are 3. You can decide to choose whichever one you want. So I'll choose this third one, which is 172.16.0.1. okay, I'll choose that. Yes. So guys, I want you to keep these ones in mind. The IP address here, this IP address and this port, okay, we are going to use the two of them on our PC. So now let's move on to our PC and do the rest of the work there. Guys, before we go to our PC, make sure that you switch on your hotspot. Okay, switch on your hotspot here like that. Very well, switch it on. Okay, now let's go to our PC. Okay guys, now we are here on our PC. Go to this place and search for internet settings. Internet options, internet options. Okay, you can see it here, so press on it. Internet options, it has loaded. Now from here, go to connections. Okay, you can see connections here, and let's go straight to LAN settings. From the LAN settings, you can see we have address here, and then we have ports here. Okay, so let's change the address to the one we are having on our Every Proxy app. Please, if you've not written it down, you can still open your phone, look at it and type it there. So my own is 172.16.0.1. okay, so 172.16.0.1, and our port is 8080. So that one is already here. If you are done, just like this, just go on and press OK. Okay, after that, come here, press OK again, and automatically this will be connected for you. Okay, so let's test it out. Let's go to our Chrome here. Let's open our Chrome. Let's search for something and see if it will work or not, guys. I'm assuring you this is going to work 100%. Okay guys, so before you do this, make sure you send your Wi-Fi on the machine too. Okay, make sure you turn your Wi-Fi on, and then you can come and search for whatever you want to search for. So let's search for car. Okay, so you can see it is already working for us. It is already working, guys. You can see it's already working. Yes, you can see. So guys, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, if you found this video helpful, kindly press the subscribe button, like this video, comment, and share this to your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. My name is Wexapi.